Now we'll have intrinsic value method. So it is on January 1, 2020, an entity granted 10,000 share options to employees. So marami naman sila dito. The share options vest on December 31, 2021, meaning 2 years ang vesting period, provided that the employees remain in the service until then. The fair value of the share option cannot be estimated reliably. That is why now it is the fair value which is not applicable, even though it is mandated. The par value per ordinary share is 100 pesos. The option price is 125 pesos, and the market value of the ordinary share is also 125 pesos at the date of grant. All the share options vested on December 31, 2021, and no employees left the entity. The share options can be exercised starting January 1, 2022 and expire 2 years after. All the share options are exercised on December 31, 2022. So here, the share market prices are 150 pesos on December 31, 2022, 180 pesos on December 31, 2021, and 200 pesos on December 31, 2022. Those market prices will be recognized, will be considered for this kind of problem. We will compute for 2020 compensation. We have the market value on December 31, 2020, which is 150, less yung given natin na 125 na option price. Option price of 125, so that is 25 pesos din. Yan, intrinsic value. Yun yung intrinsic value na tinatawag. Market value less yung option price. So we have 25 pesos multiplied by the share options. Number ng share options, which is 10,000 pesos. That is given. Doon pa lang sa unang sentence ng ating problem. And then we have the total compensation. Yan. Multiply natin si 25 times 10,000. No. 10,000, we have 250,000 pesos. That's the total compensation. Now we will divide it syempre by the number of years. Yan. For the number of years, we have 2 years vesting period, just like what stated earlier. So that is 125,000 compensation for 2020. Yan. So entry niyan, debit ka ng salaries expense just like before. 125. Then credit ka ng share options outstanding of 125,000. Next, for 2022, yan, 2021, we have market value, kasi nagbago na, 180, less yung option price pa rin ng 125. So we will have 180 less po ng 125, we have 55 pesos. This is the intrinsic value multiplied by the number of shares, which is 10,000. So, meron tayong 550,000 na number ng total na shares. Ayan, 550 then multiplied, or, ayan. Kahit, hindi na natin siya i-multiply hindi na natin siya i-divide din. Kasi, this is the second year. So, last year na siya. Parang 2 over 2. So, that is just 550. So, ibabawas na lang natin yung na-recognize ng 2020, which is 125,000. So that is 550 less 550 less 125. That is 425,000 for 2021 compensation. So entry mo niyan, debit kang salaries expense, credit share options outstanding, 425,000 pesos. Next, for 2022, nagbago ulit yung market value, naging 200 na siya. Less natin yung market value ng 2021, which is 180. Hindi na yung 125 since tapos na yung vesting period. So, dun ka na lang sa 180 na naging market value mo ng 2021. Yung intrinsic na nilang dalawa, that is 20 pesos. Intrinsic value na yun, increase lang siya sa intrinsic value. Then the share option still, it is 10,000. So meron tayong 200,000 pesos. Ayan, this is just an additional compensation for the year. Ayan, kasi di pa naman siya na-exercise no? So, may additional ka na 200,000 pesos. Tapos, ayan, same din yung entry niya, debit siya ng salaries, expenses, and share options outstanding of 200,000 pesos. So, after ng vesting period, ayan, agad-agad, tong 200,000 na to, na increase in compensation, that is just recognized immediately. Wala na siyang divide. Buo na siya, full, na i-recognize si 200,000 pesos. So, ayan, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Share this to your friends, especially those you know who are actually in need of teachings. Syempre, mahirap yung setup ngayon. Either you are online or you are in face-to-face studies. You still have to try other resources that might help you to understand the lessons more. So, take care. Bye-bye.